animals 动物 turkey 火鸡 turkey 火鸡 turkey 火鸡 turkey vulture 秃鹰 vulture 秃鹰 vulture 秃鹰 walrus 海象 walrus 海象 walrus squirrel 松鼠 squirrel 松鼠 squirrel 松鼠 squirrel parrot 鹦鹉 parrot 鹦鹉 parrot oyster 牡蛎 oyster 牡蛎 oyster porcupine 豪猪 porcupine 豪猪 porcupine 豪猪 porcupine hedgehog 刺猬 hedgehog 刺猬 hedgehog 刺猬 hedgehog mole 鼹鼠 mole 鼹鼠 mole 鼹鼠 mole lobster 龙虾 lobster 龙虾 lobster I hope everyone enjoy learning the animals' vocabularies. That's the lesson for today. See you next time. Bye bye.